After many days of celebrating a level above $100,000, Bitcoin's price has dropped. As the Fed's recent declaration led to a token sell-off, the entire crypto market is trading in the red zone. Pepe, the world's third-largest crypto by market capitalization, has dropped by more than 16% in a month, with the majority of the drop occurring since last week. Will Pepe make a comeback, or should investors start to focus on alternative investments? Why is Pepe falling? Pepe's recent fall has been the result of adverse market conditions, triggered by the Fed's outlook for fewer rate cuts in 2025. Another reason behind the market's downward trend was Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve's chair, dispelling any rumors of a potential Bitcoin reserve. "We are not allowed to own Bitcoin," Powell said following the Fed's two-day policy meeting, which highlighted that the U.S. Central Bank has no intention of being involved in any government efforts to stockpile large amounts of Bitcoin. This dropped the BTC price, creating a chain reaction that adversely impacted the broader crypto space. Pepe's price is a victim of this drop. Will Pepe rebound? Pepe's recent drop has been very steep, with 3 large red candles forming recently. The RSI indicator shows that it is getting closer to the oversold zone, currently at 37. The MACD histogram has also painted a long red, indicating that a further drop may be coming soon. The critical support for the token right now is around the $0.000006 level. Once the Pepe price reaches there is a possibility of a rebound. Now, whether or not the token is able to recapture its recent high will depend on the community's strength and broader market conditions. Pepe price prediction 2025 and beyond. Here is our price forecast for Pepe in 2025 and beyond. 2025. It is likely that the Pepe price will continue to drop until the middle of January 2025, with minor green candles emerging now and then. Afterwards, it could bounce back and stabilize around the $0.000 to $4 level. In the second quarter of 2025, it is prudent to keep an eye on crypto regulations across the globe, especially in the USA. It will be a test to see how focused President Donald Trump is on crypto's growth. Positive policies will boost Bitcoin's price, and Pepe will follow suit. It should also be noted if Bitcoin pulls off another bull run like in 2021, for if it does, Pepe's growth could happen by triple digits. By year's end, it is possible that the Pepe price could reach around the $0.0001 level. 2026 may create a more streamlined ecosystem for the crypto economy, and Pepe's virality will depend on other memes or celebrities joining the ecosystem. These social elements may be the only factors pushing up the Pepe price. However, it will also be important if Pepe emerges with utility, for that is another factor that would boost its growth. Wall Street Pepe, a utility-focused variant of Pepe. While Pepe still derives its growth from following Bitcoin's tracks and its notoriety on social media, Wall Street Pepe has emerged as a utility-driven version of this popular crypto. The imagery of this unique meme coin portrays Pepe dressed as a Wall Street investor, with the goal of arming low-cap traders with the insider abilities that usually allow only a few to make gains from the meme coin market. Behind this altruistic way of highlighting a movement akin to Wall Street bets, Wall Street Pepe is underlining a robust use case. Holders of WEPE, the project's native crypto, can join an exclusive community, also known as the WEPE Army, gaining access to alpha calls, crypto signals, and market insights. The community will also organize trading competitions, encouraging members to share their successful trades and the tricks they used. In addition to these perks, staking is also an available utility, encouraging users to hold WEPE tokens for the long term and earn APY rewards.